Hello, grade 7 students. Our lesson today is proportion. The objectives of our lesson are define ratios and proportion, identify means and extremes in proportion, determine how to show if a table is proportional and find proportionality coefficient, determine how to calculate the fourth proportion, calculate percentage, and to-do list. What are ratios? A ratio is a comparison of two numbers that can be expressed as a fraction. Ratios are used every day. They are used for grocery shopping. For example, 3 chocolate costs 5,000. For cooking, for example, 2 tablespoons of sugar with 3 cups of flour. Or distance, for example, a car can travel 60 miles per hour. Let us take an example. Given 20 balls and 6 dolls in a toys box, you could compare the numbers of balls to dolls by saying there is a ratio of 20 balls to 6 dolls. You can express it in three ways: 20 to 6, or 20 divided by 6, or 20 over 6. Proportion. What's a proportion? A proportion is when two or more ratios are equal. Four quantities A, B, C, and D are said to be proportion if A over B is equal to C over D. For example, 3 over 5 and 6 over 10 are equal ratios, so they form a proportion. To determine if two ratios are proportion, we cross multiply. If the cross product are equal, then it's a proportion. Let us take example. We have the first ratio 5 over 4. We are going to check it if it's equal to 15 over 12. In order to check, we have to cross multiply the two ratios. Then 5 times 12 is it equal to 4 times 15. 5 times 12 is equal to 60, and 4 times 15 is equal to 60 as well. Then the products are equal, so 5 over 4 and 15 over 12 are proportion. In A over B equals C over D, we say A, B, C, and D are first, second, third, and fourth proportional respectively. A and D are called extremes, B and C are called means. What's fourth proportional? Whenever we have three terms given and one term unknown, this unknown is called the fourth proportional. Let us take an example. We are going to find the fourth proportional to 2, 5, and 10. Then 2 over 5 is equal to 10 over x. We cross multiply the two ratios. So 2 times x is equal to 5 times 10. Then x is equal to 5 times 10 over 2 equals 25. So the fourth proportion is 25. Percent means per hundred. 6% is equal to 6 over 100. To find the percent of any fraction, you multiply the fraction by 100. For example, we are going to find the percentage for 4 over 5. So 4 over 5 times 100, it's equal to 80%. To find percentage as a fraction, you divide the given percent by 100 and reduce to its simplest form. For example, we are going to find 20% as a fraction. So 20 over 100 is equal to 1 over 5. How to find if a table is proportion? If we get the same number in all ratios, then it's a proportional table. In example number 1, we have a table. The first row is the number of books and the second one is the price. We are going to find the ratios. The first ratio is 18 over 3. It's equal to 6. The second one is 30 over 5. It's equal to 6. The third one is 60 over 10. It's equal to 6. And the fourth one is 90 over 15. It's equal to 6 as well. Then this table is proportional and the proportionality coefficient is equal to 6. Example number 2, we have a table as well. The first row is for A and the second row is for B. The first ratio is 24 over 6. It's equal to 4. The second one is 21 over 7. It's equal to 3. Then this table is not proportional. We can check proportionality either by calculating A over B as we have did or B over A. Let us take applications. Number 1. If 5 chocolate bars costs 4,000 Lebanese lire, how much does 3 chocolate bars cost? We can solve this question in two ways, either by using proportion or using triplet rule. By using proportion, we write 5 bars over 4,000 Lebanese lire is equal to 3 bars over x. As for triplet rule, we write 5 bars costs 4,000 Lebanese lire. What is the cost of 3 bars? In both cases, we will calculate x in the same way by cross multiplying. So x is equal to 3 times 4,000 over 5 equals 2,400 Lebanese lire. Number 2. 12 students out of 20 students in a class succeed. Calculate the percentage of students who succeed. First, we write the ratio. It's equal to 12 over 20. Since we are going to calculate the percentage, we multiply it by 100. Then, the answer is equal to 60%. The percentage of students who succeed is 60%. Number 3. In a cinema, there are 240 seats. 30% of them are occupied. How many seats are occupied? They told us 30% of 240. 30% is 30 over 100. Of means times 240. It's equal to 72. Then 72 seats are occupied. And now you can practice the following in your book. Have a nice day.